Hello everyone. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register LG TV warranty in 2026. So you need to start by going to the LG's official product registration page or login into your My LG account via LG's support website. So when you are here on the product registration page, you will have to first of all sign in or create your LG account. For that, click on the option of register as a member button on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to simply register here with the help of your mobile number. You can register via your email address and by creating an ID and a password. You can also sign in using your Apple ID, your Amazon account, Google account, and a Facebook account. So when you basically sign in into your account, you just have to go to the products section, then select your TV. Afterwards, you will be asked to provide your product's model number or the serial number. So you need to provide that information first. Afterwards, you need to fill out some of the details and upload the proof of purchase. So make sure that the proof of purchase clearly includes the purchase date, the seller's information, and the product model. Then review your submitted details carefully and finalize your registration. Once it is successful, your LG TV will appear in your My LG accounts dashboard, and with the help of it, you will be able to verify your warranty and you will be able to claim your warranty by logging into your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.